As always, today, a lot of the campaigners were out in the field in Bihar campaigning for the second phase, led by Prime Minister Modi. Remember, in the first phase, 121 seats have gone. In the next phase, 122 will go. And Mr. Modi was in some of the border areas, in places like Araria, with a large Muslim population. Not surprisingly, infiltrators or Ghuspetia were among the issues raised. I want to go to Maria Shakil, who's been tracking the campaign of the Prime Minister and the other leaders today. The second phase is likely to be even more shrill, possibly, Maria, given that these are constituencies with large minority populations, the border areas much at stake for both the major parties. Give us a sense of the kind of campaigning to expect now in the last few days of Bihar.
So, Rajdeep, as we have seen, all the star campaigners of the BJP are very much on ground. The Prime Minister, of course, leading this entire list. So he was in Araria and Bhagalpur. He will continue to campaign, perhaps will be visiting Bihar once again in the next 48 hours, because the 9th is when the entire campaigning ends. And as far as other political parties are concerned, the entire focus now shifts to Simanchal belt. That's where the remaining 122 seats go to polls. But Rajdeep, a word on a high, voter turnout. I think you should congratulate the people of Bihar that despite high multi-dimensional poverty, the people here believe and take their voting rights very seriously. And the opposition should also congratulate themselves that Rahul Gandhi's Vote Adhikar Yatra has generated that kind of awareness. But having said that, of course, Prime Minister Modi was on ground. And once again, he reminded the voters of what happened 20 years ago, which was during the years when Lalu Yadav, Rabdi Devi were in charge. He spoke about Katta, and which is essentially the local handmade guns, and essentially said that in case if RJD comes to power, that is what will play out. It will be about history repeating itself. Here's that story.
The political war of words intensified as Bihar went to polls on Thursday in the first phase. Prime Minister Narendra Modi sharpened his attack on the RJD, reviving his Jungle Raj charge at a rally in Araria. Campaigning for the second phase, the Prime Minister accused the RJD of 15 years of misrule and corruption. He alleged there was zero vikas during the RJD's tenure.
ये आंकड़ा याद रखोगे, आप सब याद रखोगे, ये आंकड़ा है जीरो, याद रखोगे, जीरो शून्य। ये जंगल राज के दौरान बिहार में हुए विकास का रिपोर्ट कार्ड है।
The Prime Minister went on to claim that the RJD understood only the language of Katta.
बिहार पर आरजेडी के जंगल राज ने हमला कर दिया, और जंगल राज मतलब कट्टा, क्रूरता, कटुता, कुसंस्कार, करप्शन और कुशासन।
The RJD meanwhile accused the administration of deliberately slowing down voting in Mahagathbandhan strongholds. The party alleged that police personnel were entering homes and threatening voters without any reason. It urged the Election Commission to ensure fairness and take immediate action against officials involved. On the other hand, Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi questioned the credibility of the elections.
65 लाख वोट आपके काटे हैं बिहार में, 65 लाख वोट। और मैं दावे के साथ कह सकती हूं कि अगर ये चुनाव निष्पक्ष होगा तो आप इनको खदेड़ने वाले हैं, निकालने वाले हैं और एक नई सरकार लाने वाले हैं।
As one phase of polling is yet to go, both the NDA and the opposition remain locked in a fierce political face-off, each questioning the other's record and intent. Bureau Report, India Today.